This is Ram Ki Paidi at night. In front of you is the pumping station, those bright white lights, and in front of that the slightly purple lights is the waterfall area, and then in front is the exquisitely beautifully decorated ghats of Ram Ki Paidi. Now what probably the history says about this place is that this was the place, these were the ghats. Of course those days what would have been, nobody knows, but this is the place where the royal family used to stand. Lord Rama in the center, his father Dashrath, Bharat, all the three other brothers, they used to stand here. And this was the small river, and across the river on this side used to be the citizens of this kingdom standing, waiting here to get a glimpse of their favorite king and prince. So even now also, if you come here in the evening, you will find a lot of people who come here to have a sleepover. They sleep in the open, and then when it is early morning, they have a dip in the river, perform their prayers, and they go back. So this tradition would have been there for centuries ago during the time of Ramayana, where you would find the king performing all the pujas over here on their side. And beyond this side, of course, is the Ramkot area, where you have the palace complex of the kings of Ayodhya. This place has been converted into a staircase, and you have got a lot of development done in this area, as you can see, the lights and all. In front of you is the second bridge, on which you have the blue lights and the changing color lights. This bridge gives you access to cross this water channel and go to a temple, a very famous temple on the opposite side. So let us take the path of the bridge. So this is the open ground where people sleep, and as you can see, there are these people come over here. There you are. So people, there are sadhus, there are people, there are families, they all come here and they sleep in the open.